English Learning TV.
Hello, kids. Welcome to our English learning time. Today, we're going to learn about jobs. A job is to work people, to do help others in our community. Let's begin. What's his job? He is a police officer. Police officer. What's her job? She is a doctor. Doctor. What's his job? He is a mechanic. Mechanic. What's her job? She is an accountant. Accountant. What's his job? He is a waiter. Waiter. What's her job? She is a nurse. Nurse. What's his job? He is a baker. Baker. What's her job? She is a teacher. Teacher. What's his job? He is a pilot. Pilot. What's her job? She is a dentist. Dentist. What's his job? He is a mailman. Mailman. What's her job? She is a scientist. Scientist. What's his job? He is a farmer. Farmer. What's her job? She is a vet. Vet. What's his job? He is a chef. Chef. What's her job? She is an artist. Artist. What's his job? He is a firefighter. Firefighter. Great job, kids. Until our next English adventure.